Hello, good evening, guys. This is Khushi from Nexus and Company. So today we have came with a new topic, which is desertion as a ground for a divorce in India. So as you know that marriage is viewed as a sacrament to protect it is a social institution. Basically, when we talk about marriage, so the first thing which comes in under our mind, which is sacrament, because marriage is very pure. Marriage is not a you can say. Which we call in the Hindi language, which is guddi gudiya khel kind of. So this is basically very pure. So it was once thought that unique contract could only be terminated when one of the couple committed a crime that devaluate the significance of the institution. यानी कि जब मैरिज को अगर देखा जाए तो मैरिज खत्म होती है तो वो किस तरीके से होती है, जब कोई एक कपल होता है वो कोई ऐसा क्राइम करता है, दैट मीन्स एक ऐसा एक्ट करता है विच इज़ नॉट गुड फॉर द marriage. So if we talk about the marriage is basically what, as we have discussed that marriage is a sacrament. So when the marriage came to end, so what are the points, like what are the ground for the divorce, as we have discussed in the previous video also, that article 13 clause B is there are many ground which tells about the that what kind of things which can be you can say that separate the marriage. So one of ground which is desertion is described as a complete repudiation of the obligation of marriage, which is like completely किसी marriage को खत्म कर देना. So basically this is about that. So I would like to correct this, that if you talk about the this is section 13B, which talks about the grounds of divorce. So desertion refers to the act of withdrawing from marriage obligation. It is a denial of the essence of any marriage partnership, which is a complete branch of marital obligation. So if we talk about that क्या क्या इसमें ग्राउंड्स हो सकते हैं, लाइक अगर हम डिजर्शन के अंदर देखें, दैट फैक्टम ऑफ सेपरेशन ऑफ वन स्पाउस फ्रॉम अनदर, यानी कि एक अगर इसमें फैक्ट देखा जाएगा दैट एक जो आपका स्पाउस है वो अपने पार्टनर से अलग हो रहा है, सेपरेट हो रहा है. एनिमल डेसिडेंटी विच इज इंटेंशन टू डिजर्ट परमानेंटली, उसका इंटेंशन देखा जाएगा, बिकॉज वेन एवर अ क्राइम कमिट्स, वेन एवर अ थिंग्स हैपन, फर्स्ट थिंग वट वी नीड टू सी दैट इंटेंशन. सर द डिजर्टेड स्पाउस मस्ट हैव नॉट अग्री टू द डिजर्शन, यानी कि जो इसमें ये भी चीज़ देखी जाएगी, डिजर्शन सिर्फ एक साइड नहीं होता है, दैट कंप्लीटेड फ्रॉम द बोथ द साइड. लाइक अगर सेकेंड पार्टनर की इसमें परमिशन थी, या फिर उसमें ये कह सकते हैं कि आप उनका माइंड भी इसी तरह का था कि दैट दे वांट कि अलग हो जाए, सो इट विल नॉट बी कंसिडर एज डिजर्शन. द डिजर्शन मस्ट बी विदाउट रीजनेबल कॉज, विच इज एक्सप्लेनेटरी. फॉर एटलीस्ट 2 years द सिचुएशन मस्ट हैव कंटिन्यूड, यानी कि 2 साल के लिए ये चीज़ कोर्ट कंसिडर करेगा. क्या 2 साल इस चीज़ को हो गए है कि हस्बैंड और वाइफ हैड डिजर्टेड फ्रॉम द husband or wife. So now we talk about that termination of desertion on which basis termination considered. So desertion is a continuous offense by doing something or acting in a certain way, like continue you are doing something, like continue आप अपने husband या wife से किसी period के लिए अलग रह रहे हैं, but this should not be step wise. You can say कि थोड़े टाइम के लिए साथ है and then they got separated again, they have वो दोबारा साथ रह रहे हैं. So this is not about the desertion. Desertion is a continuous offense which is happening from the past years, and the burden of proof in this ground, the court also said that the court has ruled that the petitioner has a burden of establishing desertion and all its aspect, because typically the weight of proof falls with the party of the affirmed affect, not the person who disputed जो डिस्प्यूट करता है इस चीज़ में, उसके ऊपर नहीं, जो उसका पिटिशनर होगा उसके ऊपर ये चीज़ बर्डन ऑफ प्रूफ होगा दैट व्हाई ही हैज लेफ्ट द पार्टनर. So this is all about this video. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know in the comment if is there anything which you don't understand by me. I'll share my WhatsApp number on that in the description box. Please let me know. Thanks for watching this video.